Space is vast, an endless expanse that stretches beyond our wildest imaginations. It is mysterious, filled with countless wonders that continue to baffle and amaze us. Among these wonders are the stars, planets, and galaxies that we have only begun to understand. One such wonder is a recently discovered ocean of water vapor, a celestial phenomenon that has captured the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. This is not just any ocean, it dwarfs anything we know on Earth. Imagine the vastness of all the oceans on our planet combined, and then multiply that by an astronomical figure. Imagine an ocean 140 trillion times larger than all the oceans on Earth combined. This is the staggering scale of this celestial reservoir, a true marvel of the universe. This discovery is not just about the sheer size of the water vapor cloud, it also represents a significant leap in our understanding of the cosmos and the elements that exist within it. This discovery has sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community. Researchers and astronomers are now re-evaluating their theories and models to accommodate this new information. It challenges our understanding of water's abundance in the universe. Water, a fundamental building block of life as we know it, appears to be far more prevalent in the cosmos than previously thought. It also raises intriguing questions about the potential for life beyond Earth. If water is so abundant, could there be other planets or moons with conditions suitable for life? The sheer scale of this ocean boggles the mind. It is a humbling reminder of the vastness of the universe and our small place within it. This finding underscores the universe's capacity for extraordinary phenomena. From supernovas to galactic collisions, the cosmos is a theater of the grandest spectacles. It is a stark reminder of how much we still have to learn about the cosmos. Each discovery opens up new questions and avenues for exploration. It fuels our curiosity to explore the universe's hidden depths. As we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge, who knows what other wonders we will uncover in the vast expanse of space. We often marvel at the vastness of Earth's oceans. They cover over 70% of our planet's surface. They hold 97% of Earth's water. They are teeming with life, from microscopic plankton to gigantic whales. Yet, on a cosmic scale, Earth's oceans are but a tiny droplet compared to this newly discovered behemoth. This newly found ocean is so large that it's difficult to comprehend its size. It contains 100,000 times more water than our sun. It stretches for billions of light years across the cosmos. This discovery compels us to reevaluate our place in the universe. It reminds us that Earth, despite its seeming vastness to us, is but a speck of dust in the grand scheme of things. This perspective is both humbling and awe-inspiring. So, where is this cosmic ocean located and how did we find it? The journey to uncovering this cosmic marvel began with the study of quasars, which are some of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the universe. The answer lies in the heart of a distant quasar. Quasars are not just any celestial objects, they are the incredibly bright centers of distant galaxies, powered by supermassive black holes. Quasars are among the most energetic objects in the universe. They emit more energy than hundreds of galaxies combined, making them visible across vast distances. They are incredibly luminous, outshining entire galaxies. This extraordinary brightness is due to the immense gravitational forces at play. Quasars are powered by supermassive black holes, billions of times more massive than our sun. These black holes are surrounded by disks of gas and dust, which spiral inward, heating up to extreme temperatures. As matter falls into these black holes, it heats up and emits intense radiation, creating the quasar's brilliant light. This process releases an enormous amount of energy, which is why quasars shine so brightly. This light acts as a beacon, allowing us to detect these objects from across vast cosmic distances. By studying the light from quasars, astronomers can learn about the conditions in the early universe. The water vapor ocean was discovered around a quasar designated APM 08279 plus 5255. This discovery was groundbreaking because it provided evidence of water in the early universe. This quasar is located about 12 billion light-years from Earth. This means that the light we see from it today began its journey across the universe 12 billion years ago. This means we are seeing it as it was 12 billion years ago, when the universe was still in its infancy. The discovery of water vapor in such a distant quasar opens up new possibilities for understanding the distribution of water in the cosmos and the conditions that existed in the early universe. The discovery of the water vapor ocean was made possible by analyzing the light from Quasar APM 08279 plus 5255. As this light travels through space, it interacts with any matter it encounters. This interaction leaves a unique fingerprint on the light's spectrum. Astronomers use telescopes equipped with spectrographs to split the quasar's light into its component colors, like a prism creating a rainbow. By carefully analyzing these colors, they can identify the fingerprints of different elements and molecules present in the intervening space. In this case, they found the unmistakable signature of water vapor. Section 5. A Cosmic Oasis. The discovery of this enormous water vapor cloud is significant for several reasons. First, it demonstrates that water is abundant even in the early universe. This has profound implications for our understanding of how galaxies, stars, and even planets form. Water is essential for life as we know it. Finding such vast quantities of it so early in the universe suggests that the ingredients for life may be common throughout the cosmos. This discovery also provides valuable insights into the conditions present in the early universe. The presence of water vapor tells us about the temperature, density, and chemical composition of the gas clouds where galaxies and stars were born. Section 6. Water, the elixir of life across the cosmos. The search for extraterrestrial life is one of the most compelling pursuits in science. Water is a key ingredient for life as we know it. Finding it in such abundance in the early universe raises tantalizing possibilities. While this discovery doesn't confirm the existence of life beyond Earth, it does suggest that the conditions necessary for life to arise may be widespread. This discovery adds another piece to the puzzle of life in the universe. The vastness of this water vapor cloud highlights the sheer scale on which the universe operates. It challenges us to think beyond our planet and consider the possibility of life existing in environments vastly different from our own. Section 7. Water worlds in our solar system. The discovery of this vast ocean of water vapor is not the first time we've found evidence of water beyond Earth. For decades, scientists have been on a quest to find water in the cosmos, driven by the understanding that water is essential for life as we know it. This search has led to some remarkable discoveries both within our solar system and beyond. In our own solar system, we've found evidence of water ice and even liquid water on several celestial bodies. These findings have profound implications for the possibility of life elsewhere. Water ice has been detected on moons, dwarf planets, and even comets, suggesting that water is more widespread than previously thought. Mars, our red neighbor, has polar ice caps composed mostly of water ice. These ice caps grow and recede with the Martian seasons, much like the polar ice caps on Earth. The presence of water ice on Mars has fueled speculation about the planet's potential to support microbial life, either in the past or even today. There is also evidence of liquid water flowing beneath its surface. This subsurface water could be a remnant of ancient lakes or aquifers, providing a potential habitat for life. The discovery of recurring slope linii, dark streaks that appear to ebb and flow with the seasons, suggests that liquid water may still be present on Mars today. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, is believed to harbor a vast saltwater ocean beneath its icy shell. This ocean is kept liquid by the tidal forces exerted by Jupiter's gravity, which generate heat through friction. The potential for hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor, similar to those on Earth, raises the exciting possibility of life in Europa's dark hidden depths. Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, has been observed spewing plumes of water vapor from its south polar region, suggesting a subsurface ocean. These plumes contain organic molecules hinting at the complex chemistry that could support life. The discovery of these plumes has made Enceladus one of the most intriguing targets in the search for extraterrestrial life. These discoveries within our own solar system, combined with the finding of the massive water vapor cloud in the early universe, paint a picture of a cosmos where water is surprisingly common. This abundance of water increases the likelihood that life could exist elsewhere in the universe. As we continue to explore and learn more about these water worlds, we may one day find that we are not alone in the cosmos. Section 8. Echoes of Genesis. The discovery of this water vapor ocean offers a glimpse into the early universe's conditions. It provides clues about the processes that led to the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets. The presence of water in such quantities suggests that the early universe was not a dry and barren place. Instead, it was rich in the building blocks necessary for life. This finding has profound implications for our understanding of the universe's origins. This discovery challenges us to refine our models of galaxy and star formation. It prompts us to consider the role of water in shaping the cosmos as we know it. Section 9. A universe of possibilities. The discovery of this massive water vapor cloud is just the beginning of a new chapter in our exploration of the universe. It has opened our eyes to the possibility of even more extraordinary discoveries awaiting us in the vast expanse of space. As technology advances, we will be able to study these distant objects in greater detail. We will be able to unravel the mysteries of the early universe and search for signs of life beyond our planet. The universe is full of surprises. The more we explore, the more we realize how much more there is to learn. This discovery serves as a powerful reminder that the cosmos is full of wonders waiting to be uncovered.